English Welsh to be equals.
Bod.
Welcome.
Croeso.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to languages. For more tips, freebies, and practice, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Hey you, yes you, grab your tea. Today you'll nail English Welsh to be so cleanly that your future self sends you a high five from tomorrow. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say the whole squad of to be without breaking a sweat. Ready? Base verb. Be equals.
Bod.
I am equals.
Dwi.
Example.
Dwi'n barod.
Closing parenthesis dot. You're, singular, informal, equals.
Rwy ti.
Example.
Rwy ti'n wych.
Closing parenthesis dot. He is equals.
Mae e.
Example.
Mae e'n hapus.
Closing parenthesis dot. She is equals.
Mae hi.
Example.
Mae hi'n hapus.
Closing parenthesis dot. It is, neutral, is starter equals.
Mae.
Example.
Mae hi'n oer.
Closing parenthesis dot. We are equals.
Rydyn ni.
Example.
Rydyn ni'n dysgu Cymraeg.
Closing parenthesis dot. You're, plural, formal, equals.
Rydych chi.
Example.
Rydych chi'n barod.
Closing parenthesis dot. They are equals.
Mae nhw.
Example.
Mae nhw'n hapus.
Closing parenthesis dot. Quick forms drill. Repeat after me, short, punchy, confident. Smile, it helps memory. Be.
Bod.
I am.
Dwi.
You're, SG.
Rwy ti.
He is.
Mae e.
She is.
Mae hi.
It is.
Mae.
We are.
Rydyn ni.
You're, plural, formal.
Rydych chi.
They are.
Mae nhw.
Mini combo.
Dwi.
YNY psyop.
Rwy ti.
YNY park.
Mae e.
Gartref.
Mae hi.
YN hapus.
Mae.
Hyen hulog.
Rydyn ni.
YN barad.
Rydych chi.
YN wyke.
Mae nhw.
YN bricer. Dialogue, cafe comedy. Listen in and shadow the lines. If anyone stares, tell them it's a bilingual performance. A. Coffee line check. Who's ready? B.
Dwi.
YN barad. I am ready. A. Great. And you? C.
Rwy ti.
YN kale y bisgetti. Kidding.
Rydych chi.
IGYDYN kale un. You are all getting one. A. Where's Tom? B.
Mae e.
ARYF Ford D. He is on the way. A. And Anna? C.
Mae hi.
YNY psyop Gasson. She is at the cake shop. B. Weather report.
Mae.
Hi and Braff. It is fine. A. Team status? All.
Rydyn ni.
YN hapus. We are happy. Coach, popping in.
Rydych chi.
YN dim gora or BYD. You are the world's best team. Crowd outside.
Maen nhw.
Yn galv am gasan. They are calling for cake. Culture tip. Anthem and weather. Tiny culture nugget for big memory wins. In Welsh, everyday facts often start with
Mai.
think anthem vibes.
Mai.
Hen Vlad fy Nyadau, and classic weather lines like
Mae hi'n bwrw glaw.
it is raining, if you remember that.
Mai.
Start statements in
Bod.
is the base B, you'll glide through conversations. Speed quiz. Say the Welsh before I do. Ready, go. B. Answer.
Bod.
I am. Answer.
Dwi.
You are, singular, informal. Answer.
Rwy ti.
He is. Answer.
Mae e.
She is. Answer.
Mae hi.
It is. Answer.
Mae.
We are. Answer.
Rydyn ni.
You are, plural, formal. Answer.
Rydych chi.
They are. Answer.
Maen nhw.
Speak out challenge. Your turn. Build short lines out loud. Big voice, bigger smile. Say, I am learning Welsh.
Dwi.
Yn dysgu Simrag. Tell a friend, you are kind.
Rwy ti.
Yn Garedig. Report, he is here.
Mae e.
Yma. Report, she is happy.
Mae hi.
Yn hapus. Weather, it is cold.
Mae.
Yn oer. Group, we are ready.
Rydyn ni.
Yn barad. Address a class, you are amazing.
Rydych chi.
Yn anhygoel. Point to your friends, they are from Wales.
Maen nhw.
O Jimru. Bonus clause with the base verb, I want to be calm. Dwiico.
Bod.
Yn dal. Outro, you've got this. High five, you powered through the core of Welsh to be. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these lines daily, play the episode again for shadowing, and try mixing your own sentences with
Bod. Dwi. Rwy ti. Mae e. Mae hi. Mae. Rydyn ni. Rydych chi.
and.
Maen nhw.
This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. You're doing great, see you next time.